Hey, this is Yang Park. I'm going to introduce information systems for management. And again, my name is Yang, or people call me Dr. Park. So let's go through some syllabus and see what we do this semester. Okay, so I'm really excited about this semester as we are launching some new stuff and good stuff actually. So as you can see, you have uh, first thing first, we need to read the syllabus. So we have some important information that we need to understand. So be sure to read the syllabus. And in terms of communications, our learning system use email as an email system. So I think it's easier for me to follow and manage emails within this GoView system. Okay. And I have online office hours, 8 to 9, Mondays. And of course, we're going to do Microsoft Teams video conference. So that's how we're going to communicate. And in terms of textbook, I'm going to show the textbook in a minute, but that will be open textbook. So you don't need to buy anything. And well, of course, other than Microsoft Office and internet connection, and you need to have a devices for taking tests through ProctorU, and those are some requirements. Okay. All right, just like I mentioned, in terms of software that you need to have, Office 2019 or higher. As a matter of fact, you can download Office 365 from GSW website for free, of course. And be sure to download, install the full version. Okay, there are what they call web version or internet version. May not download anything, but it's kind of tricky because you may not have full function of Office 365. Okay, so be sure to download full version of 365. All right, throughout the semester, we're going to work on some hands-on stuff like Google applications and AI chatbots. Like you may heard all those good things about AI tools, and we're going to do some database using Microsoft Access because that's easier to work with. And we're going to have some HTML, just quick tricks. And matter of fact, you're going to have all those video tutorials for this, so you don't have to worry about going through all those codes or scripts. And also you're going to use online presentation tools so that you can come up with some presentation as well as your dictation. And that's some examples of software that we're going to use. All right, so let's just get back to our learning system, which is GoView, what we call. Well, basically, this D2L learning management system out there. It's very similar to Blackboard, but they are running different companies. But anyway, if you just launch our website, you're going to see the announcement first. So that's something you need to watch out. Announcement section. So you have some important announcement information. All those things will be listed here. So, for example, video tutorials, any schedules, any tips and things like that. So you need to watch out this announcement every few days. And if you go to content, then there's things that you're going to work on. So we have materials by module. So you have module 1, Of course, you're going to start from the syllabus, but syllabus, the link is out over here at the top. So you can go ahead, click syllabus right away. But I have another link under table of contents. In terms of modules, again, if you click each module, then you have all those materials that you need to go through. Okay, so you can think of these modules as a chapter. Okay, and of course, you're going to go through from top to bottom. Don't mix it up. Okay, you're going to go through module 1, 2, 3, based on the syllabus and schedule, right? And you can taking care of all those requirements for this module within this module, or you can just go to each uh, activities right away, like assignments, quizzes. But in this module, you have assignment quizzes put it together, so you can see all those quizzes and assignment. Okay, but sometimes you may want to just go directly assignments or quizzes. That's fine too. And there's a grades section under assessments. Then you have ProctorU, so that you can log in to ProctorU. So this is very important. So you need to create account if you have not created yet. The earlier is better. Okay, earlier is better, because I'm sure our tests are already scheduled through ProctorU, so you can actually schedule your times, so you don't have to worry about your appointments and all that. All right, so that's what we have in the menu at the top. And under communication, or if you can go through a little bit further, communication, you have class lists, the list of students, and you have discussions. So we have discussion boards, and you have all those due dates and things that you need to do. The discussions, email is there. That's how you're going to use the email. Okay, but one thing different is your email address. Each person's address, you need to find it from address book. So it's not just typing in my name. Well, you can type it in, but I don't think it's going to appear just like that. You need to click address book first, then you click the name, then you go from there. Because I didn't think it's kind of stuck here. Come on. There you go. Compose. Address book. Then you go through this list of names. Then you click this box by the name. Then you click. It's a little bit tricky because you need to click 2 here. Okay. So probably your first step maybe just click add a recipient, but not. You need to click 2 first, so that you can set the receiver. Then you click add recipients. Then you can type it in whatever you want to type it in. Okay, so it's just a little bit tricky in terms of inserting the account. But by the way, this account is not working from outside. Okay, you cannot send the email from outside to this account. Only working within. Okay, so you don't have to memorize this account name. Okay. But anyway, if you have any questions about email, using email, let me know. All right, so that's what we have. And of course, we have a tutoring services available, which is tutor.com service. For this course, you may be able to use Excel part, because I think they are supporting Excel tutoring, so you can get scheduled or help. All right. So let's get back to our PowerPoint. Here we go. So again, Proctor U is important, and you need to go through Proctor U information listed under syllabus. Okay, make sure you understand all the requirements. If you just missed any requirements or steps, you may be getting into trouble while you're taking tests. So it's very important to understand what's going on. Okay, because you don't want to take over and over, because you may lose your time during test and you couldn't finish and you try to do it again, then you need to schedule week later and all that. That's pretty messy. So make sure you get things right in the first time, so you don't have any problem. Okay, in terms of grading system, is the items for this course. We have two proctored tests, and dates are given, as you can see. Final, which is unproctored, is a combination of Excel, hands-on, and the reflection on project that you have. Okay, so I'm going to give you, of course, the details on project later on. Chapter assignment, which is individual, probably 7, 8, 7 different assignments. Project as topic presentation, just you're presenting a particular topic on information technology, plus e-portfolio that will be kind of linked within. Actually, topic presentation has a presentation will be linked within e-portfolio. Yeah. So again, this detail will be available very soon. And Excel exercises. Then we have other hands-on. Then we have video conference meetings. So we need to have at least 3 times participating during the semester so that you can get your points awarded. And discussions using discussion board and some short quizzes will be available. And in terms of late submissions, like assignments and other requirements, and rather than you just having trouble because you may end up some trouble or emergencies and all that, you have 3 makeup days so that you can use at once or 3 different times, okay, depending on how you're going to use them. Okay, so if you used up all 3 days, then your submission will be marked as a late, so will be discounted as specified. Okay. So if you have any questions regarding this, then let me know as well. And technical problems, I'm sure sometimes we may end up having some problems with GoView or any kind of system that we are using these days. But don't panic, and most likely simple thing, for example, we'll just try a different web browser or restart, worst case, restart your computer and things like that. Then go from there. Otherwise, you can contact GoView support team. Then they should help you out. Accessibility services. So the Office of Accommodations and Access, they should be able to help you out in terms of any accessibility issues and services. And phone numbers are there. And academic integrity. Again, that's why you need to read the syllabus very thoroughly, because another important policy, academic integrity, and plagiarism, and nowadays we have AI tools available So I'm sure many people are interested in using it or are already using AI tools, but we need to be very careful when it comes to submit your assignment, and so make sure you understand what this academic integrity means, and also plagiarism in terms of using other resources and uh, AI generated content. All right. So important thing is just ask me. Okay. Uh, just don't try to spend time yourself too long. Just just email me. Just let me know. Don't just waste too much time yourself trying to find out. Okay, don't do that. Okay, I'm the first, tools that you need to use. Okay, so looking forward to talking with you, and we'll be seeing you with video conference. Okay, again Monday, 8 p.m. Uh, then based on the schedule, I think it's starting next week or week after. Okay, so